Want to let them in? You might get called. Bush. I'm here. Still. That's all right. Let's go.
Welcome to the Honorable Adam H. Secure Judicial Center, 36th District Court, City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. All electronic devices must be placed on silent and vibrate. Additionally, there's no talking, eating, drinking, sleeping, gum chewing, or reading. No hat sponsor scarves except for religious purposes. No audio video recording, broadcasting, or live streaming. Any violation of any of these policies can result in confiscation of your device and removed from the court. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What's your name, sir?
John Lamar Lee.
John Lamar.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning, everyone. What I'm going to try to do is do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. We're going to be on Mr. Lee. You just have a no insurance ticket.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a copy of your valid insurance?
Yes, sir.
Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Step up, Mr. Lee, and give the officer your copy of the insurance. This is the City of Detroit versus John Lamar Lee, case number SP 181337761. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
John Lamar Lee.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lee. Today is the date and time set for a free trial. Let me see that insurance this month.
You want my ID too?
No.
Okay.
At this time, I'm going to dismiss this case for providing valid documentation. Mr. Lee, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you. Okay?
Thank you, Judge. Merry Christmas to you.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to get a copy of this and get your documentation back and get you on your way. Can you make a copy of that? Thank you. Ms. Montero, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Vivian Montero, Court Interpreter 18369.
And can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm that you are truly, accurately, and impartially interpret each matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God.
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. We'll start off with Mr. Berry. We'll give Mr. Lara an interpreter. This is the City of Detroit versus Alfonso Lara, case number SP 182-50321. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Montero.
Entonces vamos a una intérprete al señor Alfonso Lara. Número de caso SP 182503. Digan sus nombres para que consten el acta, empezando con el licenciado.
Alfonso Lara.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Licenciado Elwood S. Berry, en representación del acusado, su señoría.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para el propósito de la instrucción de cargos, renunciamos a la instrucción de cargos y guardamos silencio.
I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Barry, does Mr. Lara have valid insurance?
He does indeed, Your Honor. We seek dismissal.
Vamos a sentar una contestación de no culpable y un contrato de fianza de $0. Licenciado, su cliente tiene seguro de auto vigente, sí, su señoría.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. Mr. Lara, if you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Same to you.
Señor Lara, si no hay nada más por el momento, voy a desestimar su caso. Le deseo lo mejor y felices fiestas.
Ok, gracias.
Thank you.
Tengan una feliz Navidad.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much. Best of luck to you.
Gracias, señor. Buena suerte. Ya se puede retirar.
Gracias.
All
Thank you.
right, this is the city of Detroit versus Gregory Francis Graves. Case number SP 8052181, SP 1805291. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood F. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Graves. You have to unmute, sir.
Yeah, Gregory Francis Graves.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Graves, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna check over your documentation. He may get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Mr. Soroki, good morning to you. Who is your client?
Good morning, Judge. Zira Lincoln.
Okay. All right, this is another interpreter, please. This is the city of Detroit versus Brian Ronaldo Gonzalez Lopez, case number SP 1817777, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. I need an attorney.
Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Speaking, my apologies. I did not have this person listed on my list for today.
That's the
I'm
one
more,
that you asked. That's the one that you mentioned, Brian Gonzalez Lopez.
oh, I heard another name. I'm sorry. Okay.
City of Detroit versus Brian Ronaldo Gonzalez Lopez, case number SP 1817777, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Thank you. Ese es el caso del Ministerio Público versus Brian González López. Número de caso 18777. Cargos 1, 2 y 3. Digan sus nombres para que consten el empezado con el licenciado.
Brian Ronaldo González.
Brian Ronaldo González.
Good morning to you, sir. Can appearance for the record, please.
Buenos días, señor. Diga su nombre para que conste en actas.
Buenos días.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez Lopez.
Buenos días, su señoría, licenciada Cherica Harris, cédula profesional P72832, en representación del señor González López.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial, Mr. Gonzalez Lopez. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room when you see
Señor
the prompt.
González, le voy a colocar en una sala para grupos pequeños para que pueda reunirse con su abogada. Cuando vea el cuadro negro aparecer en pantalla, por favor, presiónelo. Ella le va a dar información actualizada sobre el último acuerdo.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Christopher Lopez. Case number SP 1817916, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. That would be you, Mr. Johnson.
Thank you, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with Mr. Lopez, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Lopez, state your full name for the record.
Christopher Lopez.
All right, Mr. Lopez, I need to see who you are. You need to come in the camera. You need to remove your hat. All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial, Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Lopez, you have an absolute right to a trial. Go in the breakout room, speak to Mr. Johnson. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. City of Detroit versus James Love III, case number SP 174-53041, SP 179-29081. State your name for the record, please.
James Love.
James Love, good morning to you. This is the date and time set for a review. What have you done? 20 hours, $500, gun safety course. What have you done?
I completed my community service hours. I did 52 hours of community service. That's what I had. I had 43 hours total that I was supposed to do. I did 56 hours. I tried to do the gun thing, the gun safety, but they not taking anyone right now until January 8th.
All right. I'm going to thank you for the community service hours and for going above and beyond what was required. Did you have proof of that 56 hours?
Yes, I do. I sent a copy in to Mr. Perkins, and I also still have a copy of it right now, personally, right now in my hand.
You sent a copy to my email address?
No, not you. Not you. I'm sorry. James,
Ms. Shelton?
No, the other gentleman at community service.
Mr. Phillips.
Phillips, yes, sir. Mr. Phillips.
All right, get in contact with Mr. Phillips, and we got to get proof of those hours. And you have to come back because you said that they couldn't get you the gun safety course, but you're all set to take that, correct?
I'm really not all set to take it because I don't really have $110 because I'm still not working right now. I just stopped school. I graduated from school this past Friday, so I haven't worked for the last, let's say, 2 months. So I'm still looking for a job.
Graduation.
Thank you, sir.
That's a significant accomplishment, and we won't let that go unnoticed. However, I know you have some. How much does the course cost?
$110.
And I know you have some credit out there in the street somewhere that you can lean on somebody to get you $110. Tell them, hey, buddy, I got to get this 110 or this judge is going to lock me up.
I definitely said something like that.
I know you have some friends out there, don't you?
Well, they the ones that help me pay my rent because I haven't been working for the last 2 months.
And when is the course?
The next course is, she says, January 8th.
January 8th, and you need to get signed up with that, and you need that $110 to get signed up with.
Yes, sir.
And you cashed in all your credit.
Yes, sir.
Ah, well, you're in a little bit of a pickle, huh?
A big pickle, not a little pickle. A big pickle.
I'm glad you realized that.
I just need a little bit more time, sir.
So what we'll do is a review. I'm taking you at your word that you completed the community service hours. I will, what was this, a discharging a firearm into the city limits?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you really have to take that course. You really have to take that course.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna give you 2 months.
Thank you, sir.
Hopefully you can get there sooner rather than later. I'd like to see this get closed out. Come back March the 23rd, 2026. I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, sir. Again, congratulations on that graduation. And again, I'm say happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, sir. Happy holidays to you as well.
All right. We'll find out. All right. Okay. Are we ready on Graves? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graves. Mr. Graves, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that he might return with document.
I thought he told me he had the documents.
Well, he didn't, Your Honor. He had a receipt.
Yeah, that doesn't go good. But he had a bill.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got bills, Mr. Graves. That don't mean I paid them. Unmute yourself. All right. I'm going to set the matter for a trial on January 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Graves, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
January 16th, 9 a.m., sir?
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it. Likewise.
All right, thank you.
16th.
And is this the city of Detroit versus Darren Marquise Grizzly Jr. Case number SP 1764811, SP 1764862, SP 1813887, SP 1817590, counts 1, 2, and 3. Here for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grizzly.
Darren Marquise Grizzly Jr.
One to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would, my client would stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, even a $0 bond. I called a number of cases into the record, and only one is on the docket. Mr. Berry, do you have your pen ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
It's a improper equipment violation that went with the one on the docket, the no insurance misdemeanor. Then he has a passenger seatbelt ticket, an improper plate ticket, an unregistered untitled ticket, and a license improper. So he has the 3 misdemeanors, and then the passenger seatbelt is civil infraction. Mr. Grizzly, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And what I've done is I've treated it like a one-stop shop for you, so that any other court dates, we have consolidated it and made it so you have this one, and we'll take care of all the cases. So any other date you disregard, the one that you get today, if you want to move further, then you'll use that as your court date, all right?
Okay.
Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Barry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Your Honor, could I have that off docket list again?
Off docket list is an improper equipment, passenger seatbelt, those are 2 civil infractions. Then an improper plate, unregistered, untitled, and a license improper.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Christopher Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
I did advise my client of his rights, Your Honor. He wishes to continue his not guilty plea, set this matter for a bench trial, waiving any right to a jury trial.
What do you want to do, Mr. Lopez?
Yes, sir.
Now, does your client want an appointed attorney for this case, Mr. Johnson?
No.
All right, Mr. Lopez, I'm going to set a trial date for January 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Likewise. Thank you.
So much. This is the city of Detroit versus Sandra. Give me the correct pronunciation, I'm sorry. I had it.
Lamoureux.
Lamoureux. City of Detroit versus Sandra Lamoureux. Case number SP 181-08161. Appearance for the record, please.
Say that again.
That's Mr. Johnson. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P 78121, appearing on behalf with my client, who's appearing via Zoom.
Ms. Lamoureux, state your name for the record, please.
Sandra K. Lamoureux.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Lamoureux, this is one of those cases where you can't do any worse. You can only do better, or it will stay the same. Mr. Johnson will, Mr. Johnson will let you know. The offer is $240 fine, pleading as charged, or you can set the matter for trial. I will dismiss the case upon payment. That is your offer. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Johnson, and keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer. Join the room. She's in there, Mr. Johnson. We'll pass the matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Jorge Alvedo. Jorge Alvedo.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. That's the CTAS interpreter. That's the CTAS interpreter.
I cannot hear you, sir.
Do you need an interpreter, Mr. Alvedo?
Still cannot hear you, sir.
Do you need an interpreter?
Oh, no, no. It's good.
Okay. Good morning to you. What is your full name, sir?
Jorge Oviedo Buzón.
Buzón.
Yeah.
Who did you say your client was, Mr. Soroki?
Your Honor, my client is Zeret Linton.
One more time.
Zeret Linton.
Linton, is Zaret Linton here? All right, on that telephone, I'm asking you to unmute yourself. 313-728-6634. Good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, please? Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. On the telephone. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Christopher Lomax.
Okay, you were on, you had signed on. Christopher Tatum Lomax.
Yeah, I did log in on the Zoom, but it kicked me off. And I just called in. Would you like me to go back to the Zoom or to the app?
Go back to the Zoom, please.
Okay.
All right.
1 second. Hello?
It was Christopher Lomax?
Yes, sir.
Very well. Mr. Willie Green, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lamoureux. I didn't get that right.
Yeah, you got it right.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lamoureux. I've given you an opportunity, ma'am, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Did advise my client of her rights. She's going to waive her rights today and accept the plea, which is to as charged. But based upon the bench's representation, once she makes payment, the matter will be dismissed. That's our understanding.
You, ma'am?
Yes,
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please?
yes, I've got it raised.
All right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, very well. Now, ma'am, Ms. Lamoureux, these the elements of this crime are kind of specific in that, you know, we have to meet each and every element of the crime. And I'm going to ask you questions related to this. And if you can't meet each and every element, we're going to set the matter for trial. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Do you understand? You have an absolute right to a trial, ma'am?
Yes.
And do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Mr. Johnson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 11th, 2025 at around 9:37 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Evergreen and Wadsworth. Well, you may not know, but did you own a 2019 Chevy on that day?
Yes.
And did you allow somebody to drive that 2019 Chevy that?
Yes.
And you allowed that person to drive that Chevrolet knowing that person did not have a valid driver's license. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, find your client guilty as charged to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. It'll be $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it?
Can you give me a little more time, please?
I can give you as much as 30 days.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you back on January the 22nd, 2026 at 8:25.
January 22nd?
January 22nd. Have it paid by then. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways to pay it, but those are the two best ways. They'll go through immediately. And if you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season. I'll see you back in the new year.
How much was the fine?
$240.
Okay. Can I pay it over the phone or no?
You can, there's other ways you can pay it. You can, if you go on the 36th District Court website, there are multiple ways you can pay it.
Okay.
All right.
All right. I'll wait for my son to do it. I don't go on the internet. I have never gone on the internet. I always have to have somebody do it for me.
All right. Well, I wish you the best of luck. Have a safe, happy holiday season. You and your family.
You do the same, Judge. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jorge Olido Luzon. Case number 2572-14731. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with my client who is appearing via Zoom. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Yes.
No, Jorge Luzon.
Mr. Vito?
No, it's Luzon. State your name for the record, sir.
Jorge Oviedo Busan.
All right. The day is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, we ask that a not guilty plea is entered. Waive formal reading. Have my client stand muted at this time, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not
If
guilty
there's
plea.
any warrants, we ask that they're recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's. We'll recall the warrant, and give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Buzan, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Rodney Johnson. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right.
Let's pass the matter.
Thanks for letting me in.
All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer. No Linton yet, Mr. Soro.
I understand, Your Honor. I'll just give him a little more time. Thank you.
Morning, Corporal Rule.
Morning.
One on the telephone at 313-424-5706. Can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? And state your name. Three one three 424-5706. Press *6 to unmute yourself and state your name, please. Good morning to you.
Yes, Eric Lewis. Eric Lewis.
Eric Lewis.
Yes.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lewis.
Good morning.
What is your middle name, Mr. Lewis?
You said middle name?
Yes.
Jason, Jason.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grizzly. Mr. Grizzly, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. So what is your client do? Barry, you have to unmute yourself, please.
My apologies, Your Honor. But my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to the improper equipment charge as well as the seatbelt charge and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Grizzly?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count based on those stipulations to, as charged to the improper equipment. That's going to be $120. And for the seatbelt ticket, I'll find him responsible as well. And I won't fine you for that, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
120. When can you pay it?
Probably like in the middle of January.
Give you till January 22nd, 2026 to pay it, and then he did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload, did that after your phone, or come on down to the courthouse to pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Grizzly. If you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Jason and Danielle Leonard. Case number SP 103-6133, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 138-64933. SP 143-69953. SP 144-79901. SP 151-98743. SP 152-8835, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 153-54611. SP 1566451, counts 1 and 2. SP 1733-1051 and 1927-00971. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Leonard.
Jason Danielle Leonard.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. We want to see you, Mr. Leonard, and give you a $0 bond. Mr. Leonard, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Berry, your client owes 1, 2, 3. No insurance proofs, 336, 288, 288. I highlight those. You owe a number of other civil infractions as well, Mr. Leonard, but those 3 civil infractions are causing you to not get clearances here at the 36th District Court. You pay those, you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license. I say potentially because I don't know what your driver's license looks like in other jurisdictions. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you that updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us know what you wanna do when you come out, okay? Let's pass the matter. Send there, Mr. Berry. This is for. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez Lopez. Mr. Gonzalez Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a constar en actas nuevamente en el caso del señor González López. Señor González López, le he dado una oportunidad de hablar con la licenciada. Licenciada, ¿qué desea hacer su cliente?
Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
Su señoría, estamos solicitando una fecha de juicio respetuosamente.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Lopez?
Eso es lo que quiere hacer, señor González López.
Mr. Gonzalez Lopez, you want a trial date, sir?
Señor González López, prende su micrófono. Usted quiere una fecha de juicio, ¿verdad?
Sí, sí.
Yes, yes.
All right, the trial date is going to be January 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Señor, tome nota. La fecha de juicio será 16 de enero a las 9 de la mañana, nuevamente por Zoom. Si no hay más preguntas por el momento, ya se puede retirar. Felices fiestas.
Gracias, igualmente. Felices fiestas.
Thank you. Likewise. Merry Christmas.
Gracias.
Your Honor, this is the interpreter speaking. Anything else for the interpreter? Any other cases?
You can ask, Madam Interpreter.
¿Hay alguna otra persona, otro acusado que necesita los servicios de un intérprete? Thanks, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. Have a safe and happy holiday season, Ms. Montero, if I don't see you before then.
Thank you, Your Honor. Likewise.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Chris Julio Gwynn II, case number SP 18024941. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Chris Julio Gwynn. Julio Gwynn.
All right, good morning, Steve. Sorry about that, sir. Day, date, and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
I enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gwynn, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Boozum. Mr. Boozum, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants an appointed attorney.
He does, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Is that what you want to do? I need a good phone number from you, sir.
From me?
Yes.
Okay, 313 349 4607.
4607 349 4607.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date, which is going to be January 16th, 2026 at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on that spot, on that date, okay?
Okay.
If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, and I wish you the best of luck. I'll see you back on January 16th.
All right, thanks. Same for you. Bye.
This is the City of Detroit versus Christopher Lomax, case number SP 136526522, 17336002, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with Mr. Lomax, who is appearing via Zoom. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Christopher Lomax.
All right,
For
Mr.
the purpose-
Lomax, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For the purposes of arraignment, we ask that a not guilty plea is entered. Have my client stand mute, waive formal reading at this time, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lomax, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Johnson. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's
Judge,
pass
can
the
I get a
map.
moment? Can I get a moment before we go to the next one?
Right.
Thank you.
All right, that's trial cutoff there. So we can start getting people out of here. Mr. Green Jr.,
Yes, sir.
good morning.
How you
Do you
doing?
have valid registration and insurance?
So, I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yeah, I have the registration right here for the new registration.
What
I
about
had this.
What
I
about
got
the
this.
insurance?
So I have Progressive is on my phone, but I wrote down the policy number and everything right here. Or if
Can you
there's a way I
send
can
me
send it to you.
can you send me the insurance paperwork? Have Progressive send it to the court. I'm gonna put my email address in the chat.
Okay, 1 second.
All right, it's in the chat. Have that email and we can get you out of here, okay?
So can I send it to you, or you want them to, like, what do you
Well,
want
if
me
you
to
go
do?
online to Progressive, then you could just tell them to send it to me and just put it in the email address. It's quick and easy. But you can
Okay.
send it to me if you have to, but that little piece of paper you have written down is not
No,
gonna.
I was
it's
about to say
not
I have
gonna-
a digital app. I was just gonna send it to you, right? I have the
Can you
Progressive
look
app.
up on, yeah, send it to me whatever kind of way.
Okay, yeah, I can send it. 1 second.
All right.
Okay, send to John. I sent it.
All right, we'll wait till it pops up. Are you ready on lead, Mr. Ogletree?
What was that?
No, I'm talking Mr. Ogletree. We're waiting on Ms. Williams Law, the court reporter, to come back. Good morning to you, ma'am. What's your name?
I would say Lamar.
Lamar?
That's it.
Alize Monet Lamar.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
I'm back, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Ogletree, are you ready? Let's call this one. This is the City of Detroit versus Kenneth Dwight Griffin. Case number SP 180-90291. Appearance for the record, please.
It's Kenneth Griffin.
State your name, I'm sorry, state your name for the record, please.
Kenneth Dwight Griffin.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Mr. Griffin, is Officer Michael Ayala here? Michael Ayala, hearing no response, not seeing that officer appear in the Zoom room or any other breakout rooms. I'm gonna, on the court's own motion, I'm gonna dismiss the case. No officer. There's nothing further, sir. I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you all.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good holiday too.
Thanks. City of Detroit versus Eric Jason Lewis, case number SP 177-7586, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
My name.
State your name for the record, Mr. Lewis.
Eric Jason Lewis.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Can somebody put their appearance on the record for Eric Jason Lewis, please?
I think that's Mr. Ogletree's client.
Is that Mr. Ogletree? All right, just put your appearance on the record for Mr. Ogletree, please.
Terica Harris standing in for attorney of record, Aaron Ogletree.
All right, there's date and time set for a trial. I'm looking for officers. Askew. Hearing no response. Have not seen that officer join the Zoom or in any other breakout rooms. Go ahead, Counselor.
Defense moves to dismiss.
I'll grant the motion to dismiss. No officer. Best of luck to you, Mr. Lewis. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
You as well. Thank you again.
Thank you. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Christopher Gwynn. Mr. Gwynn, Chris Gwynn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
There's a recommendation to dismiss. We ask the court to adopt the recommendation. We stipulate the probable cause.
I'll grant the motion to dismiss. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gwynn, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, all right?
Likewise, Judge. Thank you.
Very well. You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit. Wait a minute. I have a Willie. This is the wrong file. The city of Detroit. I have a Willie Lee Green Jr.
Okay, 8:35.
A William Lee Green Jr. Okay. This is the city of Detroit. That's set for trial. No, it's not. It's set for a
Pre-trial. That's the bottom.
This is the city of Detroit versus William Lee Green Jr., case number SP 18119-071, SP 18120-531. Appearance for the record, please.
Terica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
William Lee Green Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I have not received that. Go in the breakout room, Mr. Green. He tried to attempt to send me his ballot documentation. Show Ms. Harris. Let's see if we can get you out of here.
Okay.
Find the room, pass them out. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. James Leonard. Mr. Leonard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? You're muted, Mr. Berry. Let me do this. I'll turn that off.
My client seeks a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Leonard?
Yes.
All right, come back on January 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Anthony D'Angelo Laidler, case numbers SP 1134841, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1175684, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1333091, SP 1808615, counts 1, 2, and 3, and 21717213, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Laidler.
Anthony D'Angelo Laidler.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, I'm gonna put you in Mr. Laidler, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, let us know what you want to do, and turn your camera on when you come back out. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lomax. So Mr. Lomax, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal in the interest of justice. That's the first city attorney.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Lomax, I'm going to dismiss your cases. I'm going to waive the warrant fees, but you're going to have to pay any reinstatement fees, which I see is 2 of them, okay? At $45 a piece. You'll pay those at the 36th District Court. Mr. Lomax, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Danae Lorene Lofton Taylor, case number SP 1816563, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with my client who's appearing via Zoom. Ma'am, state your full name for the record.
Danae Lofton Taylor.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Johnson is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout room with them. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. William Lee Green. Mr. Green, Ms. Harris, you've seen valid documentation?
Stop, Your Honor.
I'm going to dismiss the cases, Mr. Green, for providing valid documentation. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season. If you don't have anything further, you're free to leave.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Ruben Dario Godnez, case number SP 181-43931. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, sir. Ruben Dario Godinez.
Dario Godinez, I'm sorry.
Erica Harris on behalf of the defendant.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment counsel.
Of arraignment, my client stands mute.
In or not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Godinez, I'm gonna get, Ms. Harris is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Yes, sir.
Let's pass the matter. Mr. Ogletree, are you ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
It's the city of Detroit versus Jacqueline Lee, case number SP 1775771. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, about for Miss Jacqueline Lee.
This is
Lee,
Shay.
good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Jacqueline Lee.
All right. And you have your look on there. Or?
Yeah, today is the day scheduled for trial. I haven't seen the officer check in, respect requesting a dismissal, if they haven't.
I see. And then who's the little one there, Miss Lee?
My granddaughter.
That's your extra defense. That's you show that pretty young little lady for some more sympathy if the officer showed, huh? How you doing?
Hey, say hi, Zoe.
Hello.
She said hi.
All right, we're gonna dismiss the case.
Okay.
No officer. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much. Happy holidays to you too.
All right, wait, let me see what that was. Let me see what that was. Now, you know, Miss Lee, I will not see you again for any allegation like this.
Never.
All right. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a safe, happy holiday season.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
And your little one. All right.
All right. Bye-bye.
Who do you have, Mr. Ogletree?
My other client I haven't seen check in, James, last name spelled Gerren. I've called him several times, but no response either.
Is that it?
That's the only other person. I understand that you guys already dismissed Eric Lewis. No officer.
Yes, yeah. All right, Mr. Ogletree, if you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season. If I don't see you again.
Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow.
Oh, will you? All right, very well.
All right.
We'll see you tomorrow then.
Thanks.
All right. Mr. Khalil Lyons, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Khalil Armand Lyons, case number SP 159-82781, SP 179-8524, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, please.
Khalil Lyons.
Today is the date set time for trial. Mr. Lyons, is there an Officer Gonzalez or an Officer Greer? Officer Gonzalez and Officer Greer. I'm hearing no response and not having seen those officers show up. I'm going to dismiss the cases on the court's own motion. No officer, waive the warrant fee. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Have a good day.
Mr. Grimes, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
You just start your camera, sir. Mr. Grimes, do you have valid insurance?
Yes.
Let's see what you have.
All right.
I'll let one of the attorneys check it out, all right?
Okay.
Give me a few minutes. Get your documentation together, okay?
All right.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning. See.
Do you have a phone, ma'am? Can you sign on, please? And I can get you an attorney to speak with, right?
Lauren, step outside.
Please. I know this. I know Southwest. Should continue to do this. Yeah, and the other people, I didn't even print the reviews out because they seem to not have met the obligations.
Sorry. Just trying to. Trying to verify and Cecilia got in to see if she did community service. Cecilia. Guadalupe, yeah. Community service. Yeah. 70 hours of community service. She did 80.
She did 80?
She did 80. Mhm. Oh, okay. So I have to do.
All right, I'll take it.
Okay.
And then what about the other guy? The firearm guy, he said he did 50.
He
did over above.
His name is James Love. Mhm. Okay. All right, thank you. Oh, you passed the CDL testing too? Okay. He said he didn't do it. The CDL.
Not the CEO.
I mean, the gun safety class, right? Oh, the CDL for driving, okay. Okay. See.
So a lot of these things have not.
Just call. Oh, yeah, I haven't got time. Okay. Is it staying at the host with you and the son? Oh, okay, that's not the right. Kimmy, what's your name, sir? Gary Lumpkins. I can't tell them. Yeah, I think that's something we're in from the job. Okay, Aaron, call 929. 436. 286. The dial number, you will find the telephone number, you can just So down that number, starting it's going to be follow the messages and it's going to answer.
All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. Galvez. Mr. Berry, this is a dismissal. Ms. Harris? I'm sorry, we're back on the record. All right.
There's a recommendation to dismiss. You ask the court to adopt the recommendation, we stipulate the probable cause.
All right, with that recommendation, I'll adopt the recommendation to dismiss the case, sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, and I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Mariah Lachey Goodman, case number SP 14450-201, SP 1474486, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1581042, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1618674-1, SP 1636454-1, 1980, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Rebecca Harris on behalf of Ms. Goodman. Ms. Goodman, please state your name for the record.
Mariah Goodman.
All right, Ms. Goodman, good morning to you. Today is the date set for a trial. I have Corporal Rule and Corporal Bennett here. The other two officers I do not see. Ms. Harris, Ms. Goodness Harris is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. You let us know what you wanna do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Late. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Lawton Taylor. Ms. Lawton Taylor, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what does your client want to do?
Thank you, Your Honor. I did have an opportunity to speak with my client today. She's going to waive her rights to a trial. I did advise her of her rights. She's going to ask that the following plea is adopted from the Assistant Corporation Counsel. She'll enter a plea on the matter ending in 5631, but ask that it is amended to failing to report an accident. Count 2 on that matter will be dismissed. Count 3 will be taken under a 3-month delayed sentence.
And do you want to take that deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Johnson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
And has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, did you see the copy of the ticket, Mr. Johnson? It's, leaving the scene of an accident, personal injury. Fleeing, the allegation suggests that fleeing scene of accident causing injury, no insurance on vehicle, and disobeying a lawful order. I don't know how those, but I imagine that you've had a conversation with your client and then that when we take the factual basis, then it'll all come together. Is that correct?
Yes, but my client, and I'm glad you did bring that up because my client, we did discuss that, and we wanted to take it under a no contest plea, Your Honor, if that's available to my client for lack of recollection.
Lack of recollection?
For the disobeying the officer's orders and the possibility of civil litigation.
Civil liability. Did you
Civil
speak to Ms. Horn on that?
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, yes, Your Honor, we did discuss it.
All right, no objection, right?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, you want to go ahead with the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Johnson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay. You said the third count is taken under a delayed sentence as well?
Yes.
And how many months?
3-month delayed sentence on the third count only.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket has an accurate factual basis for that, that no contest plea?
Defense so stipulates to the face of the ticket to establish a factual basis on count 3
And count 1 as well,
and count 1.
and stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of count 2.
Defense so stipulates the probable cause for the dismissal on count 2.
Okay, I'm gonna take these under a no contest plea, ma'am. For purposes of sentencing, though, a no contest plea is treated as a guilty plea. You understand that?
Yes.
So I'm gonna fine you $240 on one. I'm not gonna fine you on the other. It'll be taken under a 3-month delayed sentence, meaning if you don't get any other trouble, then count 3 of this ticket will be dismissed. If you don't get any other trouble like that, and you pay the $240 fine, count 1 is gonna stay on your record. Do you understand that now?
Yes.
All right. I'll give you until March the 23rd to pay those $240. And by March the 23rd, if you pay that at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. You're gonna have to come back on March 23rd at 8:25. And if you've met those 2 conditions, not getting any other trouble and paying the $240, we'll dismiss count 3 of the ticket. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You have any further questions, ma'am?
No.
All right, you have a safe, happy holiday season. We'll see you back March 23rd at 8:25. I wish you the best of luck, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. Have a good one.
You as well. It's the city of Detroit versus Jeffrey Edward Grimes, case number SP 180-38471. Appearance for the record, please.
Jeffrey Grimes here.
Johnson.
Trying to unmute. Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with my client who has already put his name on the record.
Okay, good morning to both of you. Let's, Mr. Grimes, show Mr. Johnson the documentation. If you don't, Mr. Grimes says he has valid insurance, I believe. And
Yeah.
get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Johnson. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Join the room, we'll pass the matter. On the telephone, is that Gary Locust? On the telephone, 404-732-2064. Good morning to you. What is your name, please? On the telephone, hello?
This message has been transcribed. One moment while I notify the caller.
Hello,
Yes, good morning. What is your name, sir?
my name's Gary Locust.
All right, this is good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Gary Locust, case number SP 180576061. Mr. Locust, state your name again for the record, please.
Gary Locust.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Knowles hearing no response, not having seen Officer Knowles join the room. I'm going to dismiss the case on the court's own motion for no officer, Mr. Locust. If there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
And you as well. Thank you. You as well.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, excuse me.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Will I receive some type of confirmation or something in the mail or something like that as to the outcome of the proceeding?
No, you can go online to the 36th District Court and you can find it there, and then you can print out an ROA on your own, okay?
Well, because I don't want to be out here and then they talk about you didn't make court or something,
No, nobody wants that. Hopefully we get it right here.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You have a great holiday.
You have a better one. Thank you.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grimes. This is for dismissal for compliance, Mr. Johnson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P78121. Again, yes. Based upon the observation as officer of the court, I did review the document and did see that he had insurance at this time, at least 6 months worth. And speaking with the Assistant Corporation Counsel, no objection for the dismissal.
All right, we're going to dismiss the case. Mr. Grimes, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you. You too.
City of Detroit versus Alizé Monet Lamar. Case number SP 107-6196, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1137572, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1150442, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1240651, SP 1571146, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1571151, SP 1602510, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 1611051. Appearing for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with Ms. Lamar, who is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Lamar, state your full name for the record.
Alizé Lamar.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Lamar. What brought you down into the courtroom today?
Last time I spoke with you, you told me that I would have to pay off a ticket today.
You haven't paid.
No, I wasn't really aware of what ticket that you said to pay.
Well, what I said was, I said you can pay your reinstatement fees up front, and you can still go down to the clerk down, the cashier downstairs, and pay those $345 reinstatement fees on insurance, no proof tickets. Insurance, no proof. I told you the last time that would get you clearances here at the 36th District Court. And you could potentially have brought yourself a valid driver's license in. But obviously, you must not have understood or paid attention.
I was paying attention, sir. It's just that I really don't have a clear understanding of this whole matter. And I did call back, but the clerk was.
No. Go back to what you said. You said you were paying attention, but you didn't have what?
A clear understanding of what tickets, since I have so many.
Why didn't you ask that?
I did. I ended up calling the clerk, but she was busy, and by the time I called back, it was no answer. And I didn't know what attorney that I had to even ask those questions.
Well, so it goes back to you didn't pay good attention when I talked to you before, because I specifically said all of these things. Maybe you should get yourself an ink pen and write stuff down from, because I went over all these things with you. Did you bring some money today?
Yes, sir.
You come on in the courtroom. I'm gonna print this out for you. Just mute your device, please. All right. Matt is gonna give you these 3 ROAs. Those are the 3 tickets that you'll pay the $45 reinstatement fee up front on. We talked about those tickets, you owe him the money. I'm giving you an opportunity. We're back on the record again. Stand up, ma'am. I'm giving you an opportunity to pay those reinstatement fees with the understanding that you're gonna eventually have to pay all those tickets off.
Judge,
Yes,
I'm sorry, who are we on the record with?
Alizé
Okay.
Lamar. You're gonna eventually have to pay those tickets off. Get her an advice or rights form, please. She can fill out. What it does is those 3 reinstatement fees will give you clearances here at 36th District Court. And I say you could potentially set yourself up for getting a valid license despite owing all those other monies, because those are the 3 tickets that are causing you to not get a license, at least with 36th District Court. I say potentially bring back a valid license because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions. So if you have some cases in other jurisdictions that are affecting your driver's license, then their Secretary of State will probably not give you a license. However, you pay those 3 reinstatement fees, you go to the Secretary of State, and then once you get to the Secretary of State, you can ask the Secretary of State, if they don't give you a license, to give you a printout. And that printout should tell you she needs to read and sign that advice or rights form and give us our copy back. The last form on the back, that, madam, yes, read and sign that, madam. Make sure you understand those rights, and then give us our copy back, and you keep your copy. So do you understand now?
No, Judge, I can't hear.
All right, stop. Go back on the phone and unmute yourself so the madam interpreter can hear you. You have to go out the room. All right, we're back on.
Well, I was saying that I do have the paperwork. It is kind of hard for me to really understand what it's saying. As far as reading, like, what's the reinstatement fees? I just see a lot of numbers. I see total. I'm not even sure, like, are these all separate tickets or what? I'm just confused. Like, this is I'm not even gonna lie, this is my first time actually handling business, dealing with tickets. I'm not gonna lie.
I can probably see that. So what you have in front of you is what you call a register of action, a ROA. And that tells you everything, the dates, the times, the court dates that you have set, when the ticket went into default. Those dollar amounts are dollar amounts which would probably include the amount of the ticket. Generally, a no insurance proof is $195 if you paid it. But since you didn't pay yours, it accumulated late fees. And part of that 336 and 288 is a $45 reinstatement fee. that $45 reinstatement fee, I'm giving you the benefit of paying up front, and that will get you clearances. So Mr. Johnson, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room and you can kind of help her and walk her through those things. She owes many other tickets. We can get her a summary here with the other tickets that she owes. I don't know if she has any tickets in any other jurisdictions, but she has quite a few tickets down here. And it's unfortunate that she's just neglected these tickets for this amount of time. It is fortunate though that you came in today and have been in the last time to take care of them. So I'm glad to see that you're starting to be a little more responsible.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Johnson, and I'm sure he can answer any questions that you have. You understand where the court is going, don't you, Mr. Johnson?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lamar, join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Johnson, and he probably will try to get you an updated offer, maybe not. But if you don't like the offer he gets you, you have an absolute right to a trial, and he'll explain everything to you, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Laidler. Mr. Laidler, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
All right. Mr. Laidler, I need a good phone number from you, please, and turn your camera on.
313-799-4380.
All right, I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, which is January 16th, 2026 at 8:30, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Laidler, you have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you. You too.
All right, thank you, welcome. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Goodman. Mr. Corporal Bennett, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
This is Corporal Rule, badge 3896, Detroit Police.
Good morning to you. All right, Ms. Goodman, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
There is a recommendation she complete a one count allowing an unlicensed person to drive and one count improper plates with the remaining matters dismissed. It's also my understanding that she did provide valid documentation to the court, a valid license and valid insurance.
I haven't seen valid license and valid insurance.
I sent it in the email.
It to the court or?
Run her driver's license, please, Ms. Jones. What email address did you send it to, ma'am? My email address?
Yes, the email that you put in the chat.
And what is the, and you sent that today?
Yes, I sent it at 9:35 a.m.
All right, I did not get it to anything today. I don't see.
Sean.Perkins@36districtcourt.org.
Sean.Perkins@36thdistrictcourt.org.
Oh, okay, that's what I missed. I forgot the TH.
Oh, very well.
I'm gonna forward it again and add the TH.
Thank you.
This is just hasn't come on yet.
Okay. Corporal Bennett, are you there?
Glasses.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Corporal Bennett. Can you put your name, badge, number, department on the record, please?
Yes, sir. Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
All right, very well. Good morning to you.
Morning.
All right. You want to take this deal, ma'am?
Yes,
Can you raise your right hand, please?
yes,
Is your hand, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
yes,
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
yes,
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
yes, she did.
You understood those rights?
Yes,
Any questions about those rights?
no,
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
yes,
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
no,
I have valid insurance. I have valid registration. And it appears as a letter with, from the Michigan Separate Temporary Operator's License. We haven't gotten it.
Yeah, Your Honor, her license is valid now. I just ran it.
All right. That's an allowing and an improper plate, Ms. Harris?
Sure, unless the officers wanted to go back and speak with Ms. Horn about that.
Well, that's up to you. I mean, hey, if the officers want to give her a break and Ms. Horn's willing, the court will not stand in the way of that. You want to speak with, you want to speak with Ms. Horn, Officers Rule and Bennett?
Sure, Your Honor.
Sorry, Rule and Corporal Bennett, go in breakout room. Pardon me? Yeah. All right, Ms. Goodman, Ms. Harris is going back in to try to renegotiate for you, all right?
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record. Let's pass Ms. Goodman. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lamar. Ms. Lamar, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Ms. Lamar, do you understand what's going on now?
Yes, sir.
All right, you fully understand what's going on?
I fully understand what's going on, yes.
No coming back in here next time and not getting good clarification and all that.
No, it won't happen again.
Trial, that's what you want, right? Trial date, January 16th at 9 a.m. Come back in the courtroom before you leave, and I need that signed advice of rights. You read that advice of rights, right?
Yes.
And you understand that, right?
Yes.
All right, sign that and date that, ma'am, and get the necessary information that's asked for on that advice of rights, and then you're free to leave. So I'm giving you that trial date, January 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
All right, hang up on Zoom and come on back in, please. You're born in 95, right?
Yes, sir.
That's a special year.
Awesome.
So my daughter was born in 95, and there's a lot of other, 95 is
You just turned 30.
that year. I don't know, it must have been something in the water or something. I know responsibility is an issue.
Yes.
It's a big issue. And you understand that?
I do. It's something that I've been fighting.
And when somebody said that to you, it would upset you, right?
Yeah.
And then you in turn would disagree with them completely, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I used to blame my parents.
Blame your parents. And do you still blame your parents?
No.
Do you have discussed that with your parents?
Yeah,
Have you ever apologized to your parents?
absolutely.
Do
Yes.
you really apologize to them?
Yeah.
Huh? That's good. That's a big step.
If you blame everybody else, you don't have any, insight on life. But if you just blame yourself, and I didn't blame myself, just
Accept responsibility.
that part, yeah.
Accept responsibility.
I'm just getting to that part of life.
Man, I'm telling you, 95, I wish I could, yeah, I won't even say it. I know. But I'd like to hear that. But we're still getting there. But it's a work in progress. But the biggest thing is understanding where you are and in life and what you need to do with yourself. And then it may take some time, but if you do understand that, it makes it a lot easier to get to the places that you want to get to. I'll take that. All right, Ms. Lamar, so you know what to do next?
I pay my reinstatement fees, 3 of them.
Did you pay them yet?
I'm about to go down there and do that right now.
All right, and what else?
And then, honestly, I know to come back on it.
You don't know. What are you paying the reinstatement fees for?
So that I can try to get my license.
Okay, so what would the next step be after you pay the reinstatement fee?
I would get my insurance and go to Secretary of State.
There we go. You're not paying attention. That's another thing. Listen, I told you everything. You pay your reinstatement fees. The purpose of you paying your reinstatement fees is that you get clearances. Go to the Secretary of State now, after you pay the reinstatement fees. And ask them to give you a valid driver's license. If they do not give you a valid, have you ever had a driver's license before? If they do not give you a valid driver's license, then you ask them for a printout. And that printout should give you everything that's affecting your driver's license. That's what you need to do. Pay reinstatement fees, go to the Secretary of State, ask them for a license. If they don't give you a license, ask them for a printout and tell them, and they'll tell you everything that's affecting your license. That way you'll know, maybe I have to go to this courthouse. Maybe I have to go to that courthouse. Maybe the reinstatement fees that I paid on those 3 tickets that you have the ROAs to may still be on there, because that sometimes happens. And we have to send an extra note to the Secretary of State. But you'll know. And then when you come back in, either Mr. Johnson or one of the other attorneys, they have something they can look at to see if they can help you. All right?
Thank you so much.
All right. Well, I'm glad you came down now to get that better understanding. That shows more responsibility. So that's a huge step, because I think if you had come back on Zoom, you probably wouldn't have still left with the understanding like you have now.
Yeah, I feel happy that I came down. I feel like things are moving now, and I can, take care of my responsibility.
That's all it takes. Ms. Lamar, you have a safe, happy holiday season, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck. I hope that you get that valid driver's license. And if not, it's a work in progress. You're on the path.
Thank you.
All right.
All right.
Best of luck to you. Merry Christmas.
All of you guys.
All right. And perk up a little bit. Put a smile on your face. That always helps out too.
Thank you.
When you go into those places, you know?
Okay.
All right.
I'll take that into account.
All right. Best of luck. Mr. Barry, you're done. You don't have anyone else?
I do not, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Mr. Johnson, you don't have anyone else?
No, that was the last person.
Well, we'll give it a few minutes before we close it out, and after Ms. Goodman.
Are you done talking?
No, I don't have much to do. The only person I'm really concerned about is my wife. She tells me she doesn't want anything, believe that. I won't believe that.
Just don't believe it.
I won't fall for it. I won't fall for it.
But she probably will just take anything that you give her, but just don't believe that it's nothing.
Absolutely, she will. She will take anything that I give her, but I won't believe that, nothing.
Very good.
Yeah, I won't fall for that one.
That's all I want.
Huh? That's what you want? What is that? Sweet tea.
I like something.
A lot, but you like sunflowers and cake. And you got a sweet tooth. I have a sweet tooth too. That. So where do you get those from?
I found somebody, but my fiance said he found somebody doing that cake was too sweet.
I bet. I bet. He's gonna be messed up. Right? And he's gonna be messed up, right?
That's his birthday.
And that's gonna be a way that you get back.
No, not necessarily, because I already paid him. I don't know.
Man, we handing out foods for birthdays. All right. I'm like, man, get it. Oh, man. All right. Let's go back on the record. Wait a minute. That's an actual birthday present.
What was the gift?
A cruise for
Oh, gotta see. Yeah,
Where's
that's
the
nice.
cruise to?
I think Puerto Rico.
And have you going, right?
I'm not going. I don't like to hang with his brothers and sisters because they weird. They won't like my first time going on the cruise was this year in August.
And where'd you go?
We went to Puerto Rico. And it was all of them, they all ordered me. They ain't nothing to drink. We had on the boat. And I did everything by myself.
I thought that's what you were supposed to do when you get on the boat.
I want to come and do something with me.
And you're not into drinking and smoking.
No, that's not my time.
Right.
So I kind of got irritated with it a little bit.
So you messed up your groove.
Yeah, but I had fun, but it was just the point why they didn't give me anything but drinking, smoking.
Yeah, that's what this, that guy died, right? They served, this is what I've read, I don't know if it's true or not, but the cruise, they say, his attorneys say the cruise company sold him, gave him 33 drinks.
Yeah, you get 50 drinks in one day, if you buy the drink.
That's insane.
It's too much.
It's
Yeah,
insane.
33 drinks.
Yes, you're gonna die after 33 drinks.
But this is the thing, they was passing drinks out. And they bought 4 drink packages, and I'm like, that was a waste of money.
Well, each one of them have to have a drink package.
Yeah, but they was passing out.
Yes. But I can't buy a drink package and then give you one. I'm not supposed to.
That was what they were doing, yes.
Hmm?
That was what they were doing. Yeah,
I'm sure that's what they do.
They're like, you ain't drinking? No, I don't drink. They was like, you a lame. I guess I'm a lame, but I'm a drinker.
You're not a lame because you don't drink. Nah.
And then I did a, what's that
All right, let's
called?
hold on, let's see. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Goodman. Ms. Goodman, I'm giving, Ms. Harris, I'm giving you an opportunity again to pre-try the case. What's any different result?
Your Honor, the cases are being dismissed.
The cases are being dismissed.
Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna grant the dismissal per city attorney. However, you do owe some other fees here, ma'am, that you're gonna have to pay. I'm waiving the warrant fees.
Yes.
But you still owe some civil infractions that you never paid, all right?
Okay, and I had paid on like the no insurance ticket. So does that, with those being dismissed, does that go towards that, or do I have to still pay those tickets?
You have to pay those other tickets as well. You'll see an update after Miss Mathis puts it in the system. I see 174, 78, 204, 156, and 222. That's what I see.
Okay.
All right, and then those $50 fees will go. Ms. Goodman, if you don't have anything further, you have a safe, happy holiday season. Corporal Rule, if you don't have anything further, you be safe out there. And if I don't see you tomorrow, you have a safe and happy holiday season as well.
You as well.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you, Corporal Rule.
You're welcome.